So today is the 10th day after I installed this package into the beehive. Since then I have fed them twice in these two feeders. They are completely empty now, so I will have to fill them up after this inspection. So the outside frame looked pretty empty, so I just skipped that one. Same with this side right here, it's very empty. They started to build on the other side though, so that's why I started inspecting on this frame. Nice build except for this little area, so I'm just gonna break out whatever I don't like. That should be good enough right there. You can clear it out more if you want. This next frame have a lot more going on. I need to clean up some of this bad area that they built. They kind of built over the frame instead of right on it. Take my time here because there's pollen and some eggs, some larvae. So I don't want to break too many of that. And we are all done with this frame. Let's take a look at it, see what's in the cells. So for 10 days of installing a new package, this is pretty good. You can see the white dot in the middle of the cell, those are eggs. Surrounding the eggs are like pollen and what they collected from the flowers. And there's the larvae uncapped. I'm moving on to the next frame. This frame is a lot more populated. We can stop our inspection right here because we see that the hive is doing good. We got eggs and larvae, meaning the queen is laying. The queen is in there, we don't have to find her. We got plenty of bees. There's some honey on this frame, uncapped. Basically they're sugar feeds. We don't want to disturb any more of the hive than we have to, so we'll just go ahead and close it up until next time. I'll probably feed them 2 more times next week and then do an inspection when I have time to see how far they've gotten. If they build out to the very last frame, meaning there's like 80% to 90% built, then I'll probably place a queen excluder on and a honey super on and stop my feeding after that. You don't want to feed when the honey super is on. So it looks like the bee just cluster in the middle right there, just to the left of where we stopped. That's where their main area is right now. I might want to use smoke next time I'm in here. The population probably increase next time, so I don't want to crush the bee. Just want to smoke them so they can go down before I place all my stuff back. But right now it's okay. There's not too many. That is all. I'll be going back and filling up this feeder tonight. Comment with any questions.